Howdy friends, how would you like to do something with me today? Thinking we could shotgun a beer together. Let's get to it. We're gonna need a knife and a beer. 2 beers? First I will summon my knife. Ah! And now for a couple of beers. I've got what I need. It's time to get to business. Alright then. Be sure not to stab yourself in the neck. That's important because that will ruin the whole experience. Most likely kill you. Because we're here to have fun. Open her up real good, nice and proper, you know. And my finger in there real deep. Make